These air conditioners are made in Mexico by Nortec Global HVAC for the Blue Hawk buying group, and the units are only available through a very limited network of dealers in the USA. Most of the units feature louvered panel construction to protect the coil. Although the guarantee on the units is very good and includes their 90-day product assurance commitment, which provides for unit replacement if the compressor fails during the first 90 days, it is not as good as some of the other brands. The FSA3BD is a basic model with a swept wing fan for enhanced sound control and all aluminum coil construction to prevent corrosion. They have a 13.4 SEER efficiency and use micro-channel construction, which enables a more compact unit. The FSA3BF models are premium units with 2 stages of cooling and state-of-the-art CoreSense onboard compressor protection, but they only have a 15.2 SEER efficiency rating. The units have a compressor blanket and swept wing fan for noise control. The FSA1BG models are ultimate units with state-of-the-art compressor technology and the ability to communicate with the rest of the home's heating and cooling systems. They are very quiet during operation, as the noise level in low speed is less than that of normal conversations. The WSA3BE units are basic builder-grade units and use a wire grill to protect the condenser coil from damage, but it does not actually do much against the effects of hail or things thrown from a lawnmower. The warranty on the units is not as good as other brands and does not include unit replacement in the event of compressor failure. The air conditioners have a composite material base pan for noise control and have a sound rating equivalent to moderate traffic on a road. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.